say we wanted to round the corners of the image that we have here instead of making them so pointy. All we have to do is go over back to our images here, and we'll just need to add a new modifier. So the modifier we need to add for this is .CornerRadius, and you hit the first one here, and then we can just type in how round we want it. So let's just type 20 here, and if we look at our simulator, you see that the image corners are now rounded. Now this is the old way to do this. The new way to do this actually is using a different modifier. So let's type this in, .ClipShape. And now inside here, you basically put the shape that you want your image to have. So we put rounded rectangle. And make sure you scroll down to the rounded rectangle that uses corner radius, not corner size. And then hit this. And then the same thing, we'll type in 20 here. And if we look at our image to the right, we'll see that it has the same roundness. So that's how you pretty much round the corners of your